I noticed the stream today. So normally I go just take a walk or whatever, just to think, meditate, pray. And today I decided, I'm not going to take my headphones because I'm really trying to break my, I don't even want to use the word addiction. I just want to break my habit of always having to, be entertained, to listen to an audiobook, to have music on, to have headphones in. So I decided, I'm going to go for a walk, nothing, just me, God, and nature. And it's crazy. I was walking home and I heard the stream. We've gotten a lot of rain over the past day or so. And so normally when it rains real heavy, the ponds and stuff will get big. You'll have little streams, but I hadn't, paid attention to that one because I haven't been out for a walk in a while. But the thing that really blew my mind or really caught my attention and humbled me was I wouldn't have noticed that stream. I wouldn't have heard it if I had headphones in because I'd had noise cancel on and, I would have just been tuned out. But it was really cool because I got to, I'm praying and I get to thank God for that stream. I get to experience life in a way that's better than always having my headphones on. And, I'm trying to kill off this habit of being on my phone, being on the internet so much. And I don't think the internet in and of itself is a problem. I think the internet can be used as a tool. I use the internet for sermon prep. I use the internet to put these videos out. The issue with the internet for me is I've become too dependent on it, and not for using it for good stuff. I've become attached to the internet for stimulus, for entertainment. As a Christian who deals with ADHD, being constantly stimulated by the internet means that I go to it for bad reasons, wrong reasons. And that's an issue. That's dangerous because when I use the internet as more than a tool to sustain me or to stimulate me, that becomes a problem. And I think when we use tools, we use good things in wrong ways, they can become idols or they can at least become unhelpful. And I think the internet is one of those things that God has allowed us to have. He allowed us to come up with this technology to be good, to be used for good. But overuse of technology is where it becomes a problem. And that's kind of where I'm at, is I'm in the overuse category. And I probably use it less than other people because I'm intentional, but with my struggles, I know that I need to use it even much less than I do use it. So when I stand by the stream, I'm reminded that there's more to life than technology, than the internet, than being always on with headphones in, tuning out the world, because I just enjoyed that stream again. I enjoyed it so much I came back out to make a message to share with people. Go out and hear a stream. Go out, feel the breeze, notice the birds, notice the clouds. It's a sunny day. It's about 40 degrees, so a little chilly, but it's amazing. I don't regret the past 40 or so minutes of getting out, walking, praying, meditating, getting ready for my sermon tomorrow. And I hope you're blessed by this video. And even if there's only 5 people that watch it, I hope that I can influence you 5 people or however many see it to just go out and enjoy nature. Go out and enjoy life. Keep your headphones off. Put your phone away if you want. But yeah, come out here and just enjoy it. Enjoy the sounds, the feels, the sights, because it's incredible. I'll catch you again soon. Enjoy this little video of the stream. I wanted to share that with you too.